I'm Lorenzo, I'm 32. I come from Milano. I'm a ski instructor and a physiotherapist. I started to run 5 years ago. I was a volunteer in a race and I fell in love with this sport. When you start this sport, every season you improve yourself. UTMB is a great goal because I come from Courmayeur. Mont Blanc for me is my mountains. This is Totoro, is for my wife. I want to be tired. For me, less than half is important, the physical condition, and the rest is the head. Today, everybody run. I try to don't run because I know it's very dangerous for me. In the last 2 weeks, I have some problem with my feet.
The third swim. The last uphill was strong. My ankle hurt a bit. It's under control.
In my work, I speak a lot. When I run, I can't shut up.
I think I could get it.
Now, for the first time, I can see the finish line. In Italian, I say passo dopo passo, step by step. And step by step, I stay here with my jacket, with my beer, and I'm very happy. Finisher.